I feel sorry for Ghanaians. I don't even know where they come. I don't know where they go today because you know something I don't sit down, all the think in my matter. You know the one where they sorry for now for. You know I just go they prepare. Blessed that this coming Monday. Now I want to start now sit at home. Yes, now I will start sit at home this coming Monday. Yes. So you know one hear word. I know one hear word. I go hear word by force. Coming Monday I will start sit at home. Make una know how wetin we dey feel for here. Yes, now because we dey want una small. Una no giri here. No worry. You see that now cancer they go spread. They go spread everywhere. At that time na eye go clear. Shebi Shalimas the shark for TV. That one way the gap teeth wey dey mat be like a Lagos to Calabar coastal highway. He mats the shark. Very soon, and that one said they will first cash on Monday because that one will be hear word. If there's somebody sit down for us for money, that one will be we die in face. That Shali no go sit down for us. Now they will cash. Whoa.
About 7 Nigerians who attempted to register for the citizens card. God willing, on 6th August, that is Wednesday, we are reappearing with them, and we are hopeful we will get conviction and convict these guys to prison. All the convictions, after they are done serving their terms, they will be deported to their home countries.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. If this is your first time on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video and share the video. Also do all to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. So today I'm here with another news, but before we go on, I would love to apologize for the background noise. The sound of the drum and trumpet you're hearing is coming from a school very close to my house, and you know, practicing to perfecting their drumming and trumpeting skills, so I can't stop them from, you know, learning. And for the motorbikes and cars, my house is very close to the roadside. By now you should know. Yeah, I don't have to be explaining myself again. But then I know it's my duty to make everywhere quiet and calm for you. But for this one, I can't help it. I'm sorry about that. All I will do is to be apologizing to you. Yes. So, guys, I'm so sorry. You see me all wrapped with duvet. I'm not well. But that wouldn't stop me from coming out here to, you know, to answer to your call, especially those people sending me videos to check out. Thank you so much. You should know the length I go just to make you guys happy, right? Wish me quick recovery. Thank you in advance. So the topic of our video today is the NIA crackdown Nigerians illegally registering for Ghana card. So when I saw the title of this video, you know what comes to my mind is that upon everything that is happening in Ghana, yeah, to Nigerians in Ghana, you know, we caused it. We are the reason why Ghanaians are asking us to leave, right? But yet Nigerians don't want to, you know, maintain. They don't want to maintain and be in their corner. They are still going ahead, you know, circulating around to the extent of going to get Ghana card. So if you as a Nigerian, yeah, let me be specific, as a foreigner going to get Ghana card, now let me ask you, who are you leaving the foreigner's ID for? They've provided foreigners ID for you, for foreigners. They made everything easy for you, and you want to become a citizen by fire by force? Well, guys, let's get right into the video in order for us to have a better understanding of this very video. Let's watch.
We've got reports from individuals, some financial institutions, and well-meaning Ghanaians that some foreigners in the past few weeks have been scanning around our registration centers to ostensibly get access onto our citizen register. As we speak, we have been able to convict one who is serving 8 months jail term. We have 13 more cases under active investigation. Just last week, we went to the Dansoman Circuit Court with about 7 Nigerians who attempted to register for the citizens card. God willing, on 6th August, that is Wednesday, we are reappearing with them, and we are hopeful we will get conviction and convict these guys to prison. All the convictions, after they are done serving their terms, they will be deported to their home countries. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we are going to the Medina Circuit Court to also prosecute some foreign nationals who attempted to register for the Ghana card. On Thursday, we are going to the Medina Circuit Court again to prosecute other foreign nationals. Let me take this opportunity to warn our Ghanaian brothers who are aiding and abetting these foreigners to get the citizens card illegally. In our first press briefing, we made the point that if you are a foreigner and you desire to have the ECOWAS identity card, which is the citizens card, there are processes you can go through to legally acquire the card. Anything aside the legal procedures to acquire the card is illegal. And so those Ghanaians who are vouching for these foreign nationals to acquire the citizens card, we are coming for you. So far, out of the over 20 people we are prosecuting, there are some Ghanaians, they vouch for the foreign nationals, and in our system it's very easy to identify such people. And so we are prosecuting all of them.
So you heard from the NIA. This is coming directly from them. I'm not the one saying it. So those people that think the law don't work in Ghana, you are at the wrong place, because when you are found doing one thing or the other, they're going to punish you accordingly. You heard them right. No matter where you are, see, they will follow you and get you. They will follow you and get you. Guys, we still have more videos I want us to check out. This is a Nigerian, advising Ghanaians about Igbo and the Igbo king. I don't know why I'm calling him Igbo king. The fake Igbo king. Yeah, this serves him right. Let's get right into the video, and I'll be right back.
I beg, Ghanaians. How many times I call you now? May not be careful though. New discovery with me, I just discovered today. I don't post them already. These people, they shop people. These people, they shop people. Hey, this one surprised me. Amazing. This one, wait, I know they surprise, but this one surprised me. Say that they shop people. Something they say, once you just say you get a dick, or more, you don't come pepper stew. Say you get a dick, they don't get time. They don't get time to the waste. Say that they buy you fancy. They don't get the time. Once you just get a dick like this, pot of soup. Pot of soup. Nobody even say maybe not foreigners. So if a younger brother now say, senior brother can't see him now, say senior brother just go see younger brother, say down your pants for uncle. They say, waiting they worry you. Down just like, let's say gas my head they do, let's say I get it. You say, hey, okay, no problem. That night na him be dinner. Now that younger brother be dinner that night. According to what I hear, somebody write that for comment section. I can see some people they say they go from Calabar, say that they go somewhere, say they don't lost, say they pass one side, like they mention the name of the side. They can say that they find it. Now I go to the comment section for the post. Now I say I made they go check some people's belly. Say the video some people belly. Yeah, now what for you? So Ghanaians, no say I no warn you, but they shop people. And you see say this is why they want form headquarters from that side. They want shop all of them now. I feel sorry for Ghanaians. I don't even know where they come. I don't know where they go today, because say me I don't sit down, all the think in my matter. Since when I don't come go allow person will be outlaw for Nigeria. Sure, I don't say Biafra, IPOB. IPOB has been described as a terrorist organization by a court in Nigeria. So now in Nigeria they are terrorist organization. Yeah, now court no be me talk before now come bite me. Now court call them terrorist organization. Court say they be terrorists. So now Congo crown terrorists for Ghana. Sorry for now. You know the one where I did sorry for now for. You know just go to prepare. Blessed that this coming Monday. Now I want start now sit at home. Yes now. I will start sit at home this coming Monday. Yes. Shebi una no one hear word, abi una no one hear word. Una go hear word by force. Coming Monday, I will start sit at home. Make una know how wetin we dey feel for here. Yes, na because we dey want una small. Una no gree here. No worry. You see that na cancer they go spread. They go spread everywhere. Na that time na eye go clear. Shebi Shalimas the shark for TV. That one wey the gap teeth wey dey in mouth be like Lagos to Calabar coastal highway. In mouth the shark. Very soon, na that one sef they will first cash on Monday because that one no go hear word. If there's somebody sit down for us for money, that one no go with that in face. That Shali no go sit down for us. Now him they go cash. Whoa. And funny enough, they shop people. One family in your yata. If you get the class on pepper soup, not come talk and say you go get malaria. Malaria itself too much. Headache. You will end up inside pepper soup. So now waiting I want be that abi. No worry. No say I don't tell you. I go there here to drink my tea. When I go to cry on Monday. No worry. This one go shock you, cause he shocked me. Wait. You do what? Wait. Now they shop human beings. Wait. Now human beings. I mean a woman beings. I don't understand. I beg, get me here.
So could this really be true? Abusha, I am pa. Let's check this out. How do you
eat people? You eat people flesh. Yes, flesh. We eat people. So you are eating? Yes, I'm an Indian. In Ohofia, do people have any harmful tradition that you think it needs to change? Actually, Ohofia people are people that most times people like if you tell a girl that you're from Ohofia, the person will be afraid because they've known us like they say we eat people. Eat people flesh. Yes, flesh. We eat people, and it's just because of the particular culture that we do that they call Bripog.
What I just hear? Wait, that joke? Please, I beg, comment section. Was that guy joking? Now the lamb human. Now the lemon. And you and a culture. Ghanaians come here. So wait. So now the culture we wanna go carry go Ghana to be that abi. Yeah. And how many people come to Ghana? People where they Ghana, how many? By the time when I start to shop people for Ghana, waiting one remain. So I be my ear they pain me. Hey. Wait, now they shop human beings. Stop. Let me come on.
So guys, this is coming from this guy. I think he's from Edo State and he lives in the UK. Yes, I posted one of his video one time. Yeah, he was advising Ghanaians and likewise asking Ghanaians to borrow Nigeria Hassan Ayariga, right, for just a day because Nigerians have some unfinished business that he is in the best position to tackle. Well, this is the same guy. And see, what he's saying is kind of funny, but if you think deep, if you think very deep, you understand what he's saying is what you should do. Yeah, we really have to be careful. Even as in Nigeria, this news came as a shocker to us. I'm not saying we do not have people in other parts of Nigeria that their culture or that back then eat human flesh. But I'm surprised this is coming out like from this man's mouth. As you can see, the man is not really old like that. And one thing with life, you can't open your mouth to say something that you've never done. You've never done because he was saying it with his full chest, you know. Did he know he was being recorded or something? Like some people can be so, I don't even know what to say. Is it, let me not say some kind of thing because I'm sick. I don't even want to talk too much, but watching this video is even making me to, you know, it's increasing the sickness. What's it be this now? So this is another warning coming from a Nigerian to Ghanaians that you guys should be careful of this tribe called Igbos, okay? Be careful. Now beg at the beg una, me too. If you want make I kneel down for una, I will, but wait until I get well, then I will kneel down for you. So guys, everything that has a beginning also has an end. I've come to the end of my video, but before I go, I would love to appreciate you for the love you've shown me and this beautiful channel. The channel is not for me alone, but it's for you and I. You know, combination of you and I, makes this channel to be who he is or she is. What will I say? It is today. Yes, guys, so keep supporting and keep sharing, liking videos, keep spreading the good news. Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes I bring good news here, sometimes I bring bad news. Well, we're just trying to bring out the bad things, like fishing out them out one by one. We cannot sit down and fold our hands seeing negativity, you know, flipping around us, and we sit and look at it like that. Nah, we wouldn't do that. So I am a girl of peace. Yeah, for those people that are saying that me, I'm very troublesome, I'm causing confusion between Ghanaians and Nigerians, stop it already. If you want to go attack, then attack your Nigerian brothers who are tarnishing the name of Ghana, home and abroad. Attack them first. Advise them to stop what they are doing. Then I will zip up my mouth. But so long as they keep doing all manners of crimes, I will be here talking about it. I don't tolerate nonsense. I don't tolerate negativity. No, I can't sit down and see something going wrong, then I shut my mouth. If you don't want me to talk about you, then don't do wrong. Always do the right thing. That's just what I have to say. So guys, I love you, my supporters. I love you. I love you so much. And if this is your first time on this channel, I've not forgotten about you. You've watched this video from beginning to the end and you've not subscribed. Why now? I dare. Subscribe to the channel already, and also do have to press the notification bell in order for you to get notified whenever I drop another one. Don't you want to be the first to get notified? Subscribe already. I love you guys always. Bye.